We are interviewing Ryan Hartman of Insitu. Ryan, can you please tell us about your position and your work with UAVs?
Yes, thanks, Tom. Like you said, my name is Ryan Hartman. I work at Insitu, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Integrator Programs, which is one of our two product lines. Insitu has the product line for ScanEagle and a product line for Integrator, and like I said, I lead the Integrator product line.
And when did the ScanEagle program begin?
ScanEagle program actually began back in 1998, originally called C-Scan, and it evolved into ScanEagle over 1999 into 2001, and first deployed with the U.S. Marine Corps in 2004.
And how much experience do you have with ScanEagle operationally in terms of hours?
Yes, so we just recently surpassed 680,000 combat flight hours on ScanEagle, and we anticipate reaching 700,000 combat flight hours in late April, early May.
And in your very interesting presentation, you mentioned that the ScanEagle has what is called a Faraday cage. Can you tell us about that?
That's actually Integrator, and what we've done is we've designed Integrator with a skin that has EMI shielding, which essentially makes it a Faraday cage, meaning that it contains electrostatic discharge and EMI within the airframe itself. The reason that we did that was to provide a higher level of modularity for the aircraft in the terms of being able to introduce new payloads without having to do as much work to filter the system from EMI or to modify the system because of EMI in the aircraft or in the payload itself.
And what is the relationship between the ScanEagle and the Integrator?
So ScanEagle is our low-cost, high-endurance UAS, and it'll maintain that very specific capability in being a low-cost, high-endurance ISR system. Integrator is the multi-function, multi-mission expeditionary system where we bring day-night capability plus additional payload capabilities like a radar, like an additional day-night camera, or some other passive payloads within the platform itself. And so the relationship is simply that we offer two different mission sets with ScanEagle and Integrator, and they're complementary in that one of them is a low-cost full-motion video asset. The other can do the more challenging missions that require heavier payloads.
You mentioned in your presentation that it's actually possible to do face recognition within the data that you capture.
Yes.
Is that based upon a particular complex of technology breakthroughs, or any one?
It is many breakthroughs over a long period of time. So when we first started generating full motion video off of ScanEagle, it was what I'll say was good enough for providing situational awareness to the end user, and some of it was actionable, but not all of it was actionable. So over time, we've made airframe improvements to make the image more stable, while we increase the resolution and the ability to zoom in with the full motion video. So it really has been a progression and an evolution from the beginning, with lots of technology breakthroughs that have got us to the point where now we have an imager that can zoom in from a mile away, see a person, and with face recognition software be able to identify the person that the sensor is looking at.
Finally, I'd like to ask you for your thoughts on the problem of having more motion video captured than we can process or easily evaluate. Is that a real challenge, and how big is it, and what are your thoughts?
Yes, it is a big challenge. At Insitu, we generate somewhere on the order of 480 hours of video a day through our systems, and that being the case, we find that there truly is more video than a human can consume and act on. So it is a problem, and what we've been working on is making the systems more autonomic or autonomous, meaning that what we want to be providing to the end user is full motion video that is relevant or that they can act on. So a good example is if one of the tasks in a mission is to go find white trucks, we only want to be alerting the operator when there's a white truck in the full motion video. And what that will do is free up an operator to be operating multiple systems instead of just one operator per one unmanned system. So it is a problem, and it's a problem that we're eagerly and intensively trying to help our customers solve.
Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you, Tom.